Greetings from Las Vegas. I am going to walk from where I'm here, which is by Planet Hollywood. That's where I began the walk, and I'm gonna walk to the Cosmopolitan for, thank you, for an Eggslut. Yes, right, we're gonna walk there for one of our favorite meals here. When we come here, we like to go there for an Eggslut and show you what Vegas looks like at around noontime, which is lunchtime. This is actually very pleasant weather right now. Part of it is because it's overcast right now, so it's nice. So we've been here a couple days and got a few things, bucket list things done here, including we visited a Lao restaurant for the first time. That's what it looks like around here. A new Lao restaurant. And the name of that restaurant is Lao Kitchen, located about 20 minutes from the Strip. Giving you a look here. So about 20 minutes from the Strip, and it was actually really good. I filmed the experience, and I might put together a vlog showing you what that looks like. Still deciding if I should make that video. So that's one of the things that we did. The other thing we did here that was really enjoyable was, look at that, look at how many people are here on a weekday. This is insane, but this is Vegas. Things are back to normal. The other thing we did was we visited Resorts World, newly opened Resorts World. They just opened about a week ago, I want to say, and that was an experience. Resorts World is huge. That place has a lot to offer, including 7 swimming pools. Insane. Huge. That place is huge. I mean, everything here is huge. Just the scale of things. It's just crazy. All right, so it looks like we're here at the Cosmo. Gonna walk inside and pick up a couple of sluts. Egg sluts. Right. And here we are. All right, air conditioned in here. It's nice. Woo. Love air conditioning. One thing that Seattle does not have, that's not a common thing, is homes do not have air conditioning. I know businesses do, but not most homes, and so that may change in that may change in the future. Wow, check this out. We had dinner here a couple nights ago, real nice. Yeah, so air conditioning is a hot commodity in Seattle right now. It definitely was on the 28th. And I will never forget that day, although I was not in Seattle. I won't forget it because, again, we broke the record. And here we are at Eggslut. We broke the record for having the hottest day in Seattle in recorded history in Seattle. It's happening here. But also, it happened on my birthday. That's right. June 28 is a date that I will not forget. Wow, look at this line. This line is insane. I'll not forget. I'll never forget that day. Lao Ocean's birthday, June 28, the day that we broke the city record for having the hottest day in recorded history. All right, as you can see, this is a long line. We're gonna wait in this line and show you what the Eggslut looks like once we get up there. All right, we've been waiting for about 10 minutes, I'd say 10 minutes, and the line is still very long. So we're gonna check out this menu here, and usually, what do you get, honey? Which bacon, egg, cheese sandwich? Is that the slut? Okay. I'll do the same. And then what were you saying about the is that the dip in the jar thingy? So that's the slut. You gotta get the slut if you come here. Slut. Alright, so we will wait because we have to, and just insane. The line is insane. I imagine this is a 30 minute line. We'll find out. Alright, after about 30 minutes of total wait time, we finally have our food. 2 sandwiches and the slut. This is a must-have, is the slut. You can dip your the bread that comes with it in that, and it is yummy. All right, thanks for watching. Gonna enjoy some lunch and then see what adventures lie ahead. Take care. See you next time. Peace.